How to use an autotutor.com.au school license for high school maths and physics practice tests. With the school Autotutor license, a school administrator can log on to autotutor.com.au at the top right, and then use the My Teachers page to add and manage teachers. Similarly, a teacher can then log on and use the My Students page to add and manage students. Students can also automatically enrol themselves by logging in with the school email address and a blank password. A teacher can then go to the questions page and choose assignments to set for students and classes. Quizzes, exams and skill tests with solutions are available for years 7 to 12 for many countries and curricula. For example, maths and physics for Australia. Also Australian physics and global maths and physics syllabuses. Also India and Indonesia, New Zealand, Nigeria and the Philippines, South Africa, the United Kingdom and the United States. For example, a class may be asked to each complete a Skills Maths Level 1 algebra quiz. Each student can then log in and start the test. This can be done on a PC, a tablet or a mobile phone. Multi-choice questions are completed. Hints and formula sheets are available as needed where appropriate. On completion, the student can review their results and their solutions. This is an efficient way to learn by doing. The teacher can then see a report on their whole class and also on their individual students. Or they can see a detailed report on the tests and questions completed by each student. These reports enable the teacher to give efficient feedback and guidance to their students. Please log on to autotutor.com.au as a free user to try the system out for yourself.